Hi guys, welcome to my podcast W5 वाव वुमन विनिंग वंडरफुल वर्ल्ड। जिंदगी के सफर में हिंदी वाला सफर करते रहिए, वरना अंग्रेजी वाला सफर तो लगा ही रहेगा। तो आज ले चलते हैं आपको एक अविश्वसनीय महिला की अनोखे सफर पर, जिसने अपने सफर में हर राह पर मंजिल पाई है, ना थकी कभी अगर हार भी आई है। So friends, our today's wow woman is first woman speaker of Lok Sabha, Meera Kumar. Meera Kumar was born to a prominent Dalit leader and Deputy Prime Minister late Jagjeevan Ram and Indrani Devi, a freedom fighter. Her father was counted amongst the richest politician of his time. Her family was a Bihari family in Patna district. Meera Kumar's mother was a lawyer by profession. Growing up, Meera shared a close relationship with her mother. She spent most of her time with her. She was greatly influenced by her mother and had a great impact of her. Meera attended Welham Girls School, Dehradun and Maharani Gayatri Devi Girls Public School in Jaipur. She studied at Banasthali Vidyapith. She completed her master's degree and bachelor's of law from Indraprastha College and the Faculty of Law, University of Delhi. In her younger age, she was a fine sports person. Not only was she a good horse rider, but she had won many medals in rifle shooting. Kumar worked as social worker during her youth, actively participating in movement supporting social reform, human rights and democratic ideas. She was appointed as chairperson of National Drought Relief Committee constituted by Congress during 1967 famine in region of Bihar. As the head of commission, Kumar launched a family adoption scheme under which drought affected families were provided support from volunteering household. Thus, while going through the pages of life of these people, I personally feel the God has always written a complete book on the day of birth of the person. Only we are lucky as we don't know what is written on which page, and hence we get up every day and feel that we are writing our destiny. Because when we see these personalities, you can observe that a person or personality is not a matter of seconds or minutes or hours, but a whole decade, age and era goes, and then personalities are emerged. Though they are born on their birth dates, but it takes time to blossom their different facets and ultimately makes them a living legend. So, having the spark of public service ignited at her tender age, Meera Kumar passed and joined Indian Foreign Service in 1973 and was posted as language trainee at the Embassy of India, Spain. During this period, she obtained diploma in Spanish and she is very fluent at speaking Spanish. She also served at embassies in Mauritius and United Kingdom till 1984. In 1980, she became a member of Supreme Court Bar Association. After working as diplomat for a decade, Kumar quit the Indian Foreign Service in 1985 and decided to enter politics after being encouraged by her father and the then Prime Minister of India, Rajiv Gandhi. Meera entered electoral politics in 1985 when she received an Indian National Congress nomination for the Lok Sabha from Bijnor constituency by poll in Uttar Pradesh. She defeated a newcomer, two veteran Dalit leaders including Ram Vilas Paswan of Janata Dal and Mayawati of Bahujan Samajwadi Party. Being close to the politically powerful Gandhi family and representing the lower caste, Kumar's political career progressed steadily within the Indian National Congress. In 1991-92, she served as General Secretary of All India Congress Committee. She was again chosen for the post in 1996 and remained in office until 1999. In addition, she twice served as member of Working Committee of Congress Party, the organization's highest decision-making body. She won re-election of Lok Sabha in 1996 and 1998 from a New Delhi constituency, but in 1999 she lost to candidate from Bharatiya Janata Party. She resigned from Congress Party in 2000, citing differences with the party leadership, but rejoined it 2 years later. In 2004 and 2009, she contested and won the Lok Sabha seat from Sasaram in Bihar state, the constituency once represented by her father. In 2004, she was appointed Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment in the Congress-led United Progressive Alliance government and continued in that office until 2009. After her victory in 2009, she was appointed Minister for Water Resource, and in June that year, she was elected unopposed as the Speaker of Lok Sabha, the first woman Speaker of Lok Sabha. And as Speaker, she launched several initiatives within the Lok Sabha, including one in call designed to reduce amount of paper used in the house. Under its provision, all Lok Sabha members were issued tablet computer. Through this initiative, there was 30% reduction in paper usage in that chamber. Meera secured United Progressive Alliance nomination for the 2017 Indian presidential election, becoming just third woman to be nominated for President of India by a major political bloc after Pratibha Patil. Although she received support from most of the major opposition parties for her election to the office, she went to lose to the National Democratic Alliance nominee Ram Nath Kovind. So here we come to the awesome journey of our today's wow woman Meera Kumar, a poet, a diplomat, an author, shooter, politician, minister, so many roles, but most important, a winning wonderful woman. हमेशा चलते रहना पथ पर, चलते रहने से चलने में माहिर बन जाओगे, या तो मंजिल मिलेगी या अच्छे मुसाफिर बन जाओगे। Meet you tomorrow with next wow woman. Till then, keep smiling, be happy, bye bye.